Wait. Sorry. Okay. Oops. Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Oh wait, what the thing? Okay, long time no see, everybody, and welcome to my channel. And yeah, today we're gonna do something different because I'm filming my podcast. Yes, welcome to Simple Stories in Chinese with Mabel. And you can see this is my setup here. This is my microphone. Actually, it's really cool. Just something I learned, the trick I learned from YouTube. So I will not look at the camera a lot of time. 你好吗？欢迎收听第一期 Simple Stories in Chinese. 我是 Mabel. Today's story is one of my favorites when I was little, and it taught me that slow and steady wins the race, and that overconfidence leads to your downfall. I think you might already know it in English. The Tortoise and the Hare. 龟兔赛跑. Which exactly means a turtle race with a rabbit. Important vocabulary in these stories includes 比赛 competition, 爬行 crawl, 慢 slow, 笑 smile, laugh or laugh at, 山顶 top of the mountain, 同时 at the same time, 出发 start off, 追 chase after, 找 to find, to look for, 舒服 comfortable, 眨眼 blink, 躺下 lie down, 睡着 to fall asleep, 努力 try hard, work hard, 醒来 wake up. I hope you enjoy it. Let's start. 有一天，乌龟正在路上慢慢地爬行。一只兔子问它：“你在做什么？”乌龟说：“我在跑步。”然后兔子笑了，说：“你跑得好慢呀，看我跑得很快。”乌龟说：“不要笑我，我们可以比赛。”兔子说：“你和我比赛，真的吗？好吧。看谁先跑到山顶。One day, a turtle was crawling slowly on the road, and a rabbit just asked him, "What are you doing?" And then turtle replied, "I'm running." Rabbit laughed at him and said, "You run so slow. Look at me, I'm run so fast." And the turtle said, "Don't laugh at me, we can race." And then the rabbit was like, 真的吗？Really? Here I need to mention about 和 and with. It's mainly used to link nouns. Don't try to link verbs. 比赛开始了，兔子和乌龟同时出发。兔子跑得非常快，一眨眼就已经跑了一半了。但是乌龟还在后面很吃力地追。The race starts, they set off at the same time. Rabbit runs so fast, just a blink, he's already halfway. But Turtle stood behind and chased after him as fast as he could. Let's take a look at sentence. 比赛开始了，一眨眼就已经跑了一半了。Here we can see they use 了 at the end of the sentence. Here, the law doesn't mean action complete. This kind of 了 is used to indicate a new situation or change of state. The situation is now different compared to before. So, 比赛开始了 means match starts, before wasn't. So, state of the match has changed. 兔子看了一下乌龟，想，乌龟太慢了。我睡一觉也没有关系。于是兔子找了一个舒服的地方躺下，很快它就睡着了。Rabbit took a look at Turtle and think, the turtle is too slow. I can just take a nap and it's okay.So the rabbit found a comfortable place and lie down. Sooner he fell asleep. So here, 也没关系 means it's okay, doesn't matter. So 我睡一觉也没关系 It's okay that even I take a nap. 乌龟还在很努力地爬行，一步一步向前爬。它离山顶越来越近。Turtle was still trying as hard as he could, step by step, going forward. He is getting closer and closer to the top. Here is one pattern is really good. 越来越 more and more. So here we can say 越来越远 further and further. 越来越好Better and better. So, similar pattern like this. 兔子醒来的时候，乌龟已经到山顶了。醒来 means wake up, but I think you might get confused with 起床。起床 means get up, so you could be awake but still in bed. For example, 他醒来了，但是他不想起床。He's awake, but he doesn't want to get up.兔子觉得很不好意思，它不会再笑乌龟了。The rabbit felt so embarrassed, and he will not laugh at Turtle anymore. Here, 不好意思 a lot of time can be excuse me, pardon, but when you say 觉得 to feel with 不好意思, then the meaning changed. On this content means feeling embarrassed.But it also can mean feeling overwhelmed. For example, 这个礼物很贵，我觉得很不好意思。This present is too expensive, and I feel overwhelmed to receive it. This is the end of the story. 谢谢收听。This is the story of 龟兔赛跑。If you liked this story, please share it. And you can find the audio and the transcript at ChineseWithMabel.com. If you haven't already followed me on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, YouTube, and Instagram, please go follow me on your favorite platform so you'll never miss an episode. And if you have any stories you want to listen or any questions, always welcome to contact me at ChineseWithMabel@gmail.com. 谢谢，下期见。Thank you and see you next time. Bye.